Hello all, welcome back to our Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. Today we're gonna see about spam detection using ML. I'll explain the abstract. Here, our abstract presents a machine learning based approach for detecting SMS spam on mobile device. It highlights the increased threat of SMS spam as mobile device become more popular. The proposed method identifies 10 features that effectively distinguish spam messages from legitimate ones, that is ham. By using a classification algorithm, especially like random forest, the model achieves high true positive rate of 96.5% and low false rate of 1.02%. The aim is to filter out spam effectively, ensuring minimal impact, no user legitimate messages. So keywords include like SMS spam, machine learning, and feature extraction. Yeah, now I'll explain the introduction. In our introduction, discusses the widespread use of SMS as a popular communication method, especially with reduced cost from telecom providers. This increasing usage has attracted attackers, resulting in the problem of SMS spam. Spam messages or unwanted text often contain advertisement, promotion, or fraudulent content like phishing attempts. Unlike emails, SMS do not require any internet connection, make it simple and efficient which contributes to its popularity. However, this also makes SMS vulnerable target for attackers seeking to exploit user personal information such as bank details or personal details. So, while various security measures and filtering technique exist to mitigate SMS spam, they are often inadequate or outdated, focusing more on email spam rather than as SMS. Despite the availability of Android apps to block spam, many users are unaware of them due to lack of knowledge. The text underscores the need for more robust solutions, specifically targeting SMS spam, giving its growing relevance and potential for phishing attacks on mobile devices. Here, our statement is SMS is the most affordable communication method, but also presents a significant security risk. As it frequently exploited for phishing attacks, attackers may send a malicious message to mobile devices, which often store sensitive personal information like credit card details, usernames, and passwords. The vulnerable makes SMS a prime target for spam and phishing attacks. Our objective is the main goal of this project is to detect and filter the spam message using ML classification algorithm. By leveraging a careful selected set of features, the systems aims to differentiate spam that is unwanted messages and from ham that is legitimate messages. Machine learning technique which have proven effective in email spam filtering can also help in identifying zero-day attacks and enhancing the security of SMS communication systems. This is a proposed system. First, we will use a data set which consists of spam and ham messages, and then we are reposing that data set phase. In that phase, by using some ML algorithms, we are extracting our feature extraction, we extract features, and then with these features, we are training our model, and then we are classifying our model, we are testing our model here. In this, it will recognize whether whether our text is ham or spam. Based on our model, it will evaluate the performance. Now I will show you our training code. This is our data set. I opened a notebook. It's no problem. Yeah, this is our data set will be. This is our training code. Here, we are importing our data sets here. Based on our SQL of machine learning, we are extracting our count vectorized and PDF transformed. This is the count vectors what we will this based on this model, based on this algorithm, we will evaluate our models here. And here we are giving our labels X and Y. Here we are separating our data set into X train, X test, Y train, and Y test. By using count vectors, I've sliced here by using this count vectors, there's a function called transform. We are transforming our text data, that is our raw data set, into a count vector features, and it will be saved as X string. And then finally, we will fit our CS, our string CV into our transform. So it will be named as X string TF. And here it will count the vectors, how much it contains in next test. That's what it will be served as X train X underscore this underscore CV. And then we have linear support vector, and it has saved as SVC. Yes, LSSVC. And then we are fitting our data set here. Extrain what we have here we are fitting our model here. Extrain TBF and Y train. And based on this, we have prediction here and B naive base. And then after this, it will also print the accuracy of the same one. After we are using decision tree, we are also print this on them. And finally, we have used decision tree classifier with all classes, and then it will show the results of three algorithms. So finally, it will show the results of three algorithms. Now I will show you our testing code. Yeah, this is our testing code. I implemented our linear SVC model here. I have dumped our model here. This is our trained model, and the dataset I have imported. Based on this dataset only, it will categorized other messages spam or spam. And then by using this replace of pipeline, we have used this comfort. And then by using pandas.treat CSV, we are reading a SMS dataset in the TSV form, and we are saving that derived as DF. By using X and Y, we are implementing a model here. And then by using the model.pipeline, we are replacing with our actual mode setup. And then this here I have created GUI. Once I run this, you can know how it works. I run this. Yeah, this is how it comes. Here we should enter the text. Have a date on Sunday with will enter text is hand. We can let's say this. Yeah. You other text with spam. Then three. Yeah. Yeah. Simple as that. Thank you for watching Aislyn Technologies YouTube channel. For more Python related projects, you can follow our YouTube channel. Thank you.